Hello everyone, I'm Yining. I'm the Director of Product Engineering at Runway. In this video, we're going to create our own avatar with Runway Character API and have a real-time video call with it. Okay, so the first thing is still to go to the dev.runwayml.com, log in, and here you can see Avatars tab here. Here are all the Runway preset avatars. But here we also have a button to create our own avatars. I will click on this. The first thing is to find an image for our own avatar. I am going to use this image. Here are some tips about how to choose a good reference image to create a better result for our avatar. So the first thing is to use the high quality front-facing photo with a good lighting, and also ensure the face is clearly visible and centered in the image, and avoid image with multiple people, and making sure the aspect ratio of the image is 16:9. So now we got our avatar images. The next thing is to choose a voice for our avatar. Here we have a lot of voice presets, and we can also customize our voice. So here I can hear one of the voice.
I'm looking forward to seeing what we create together.
Okay, so I'm happy with this voice. I'm going to select Clara and then click on next. Here I can write down the personality of my character. So I will say, your name is Yining. You know how to use Runway API. I'm also going to send the Runway API doc. And I can also choose an optional starting script. This is what the avatar will say when they start the call. So I will say, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Yining as well. And here there is some knowledge. For example, if you would like to have a longer knowledge context for this avatar, you can choose it here. For me, maybe I will still choose something here. I will copy paste some Runway API doc, click on add. And now I'm ready to create my avatar. So I will click on create avatar. It will take like a few seconds to process it. And after that, we are ready to use this avatar. And while it's processing, if you click on this avatar, you can copy paste the avatar ID here. Inside of the app folder, there is a page file. At the beginning of the page file here, we're defining the ID of my avatar and the image URL. So here, I'm going to change the ID of the avatar to our new customized avatar. And then I will also change the name from Tooth to my own name. And I'm also going to update the image URL. This is not required for using the Runway API, but this is just nice to have when we show this in the React app. So I'm going to add a public link for my avatar image and then copy paste it here. And there is one more thing to change in the API here. Instead of doing Runway preset here, we should uncomment out this to change the type custom as the type, because we're doing custom avatars here. Okay, so let's save. And now let's come back to our app and then refresh. Now in the UI, you can see that the avatar is changed to our own avatar. And then let's take a look if it works. I will click on this avatar and then start the call.
Hello, I'm Yining, and I use Runway's tools to help bring your creative visions to life. What kind of project are you working on today?
I'm working on to create a custom avatar with Runway API.
That sounds like a fantastic project. What kind of features are you hoping to implement for your avatar?
I want my avatar to sing happy birthday to me.
That's a wonderful idea. We can definitely do that.
Cool. Here is a way to create our own avatar, and I create my other self, so there is a way to talk to our other self.
Thank you for watching. This is how to customize our own Runway characters.